guys, not Ndlondlo Yamanzi exposing Kaizer Chiefs that he's the one that who saved them from the crisis that they were facing before of losing too much matches, guys. So here's what happened. Actually, according to Ndlondlo Yamanzi, Chiefs went on to check their problem, what's wrong with their team. The team was going to face Orlando Pirates at Nedbank, and then they knew that they were going to lose and they were going to face Sundowns, and also they knew they were going to lose. So Ndlondlo Yamanzi is saying that he saved them, guys. He helped them to win those two matches, and he is the one who helped them to do what they are doing actually this season, guys. Here's Ndlondlo Yamanzi exposing Kaizer Chiefs and the management of Kaizer Chiefs, because guys, he said that he helped them, but they went to somewhere else to other people to thank them, guys, of which Kaizer Chiefs went to Ekphakameni to thank Ushembe Unyas Lwezulu, guys. Then they forgot about Ndlondlo Yamanzi, guys. So here's Ndlondlo Yamanzi exposing Kaizer Chiefs.
lento ukuthi lokhu kuthiwa mina kuthiwa kuyabonga ukuthi ngisize Chiefs nani ayingiphathi kahle, iyanginyanyisa nje. In fact, yabo, mina na leyo team yeni leyo, we are not in good terms, yabo. We are not in good terms, because yabo njengamanje bakhombisa ukungixhaphasa nje kahle bakhombisa nje ukungithatha kancane, yabo, because mina kuyimanje yakhonjwana lo uthanikeza lo imali, lo uthanikeza lo imali, thiwa imali yadliwa, kuthiwa akaze ikhokhe, kuthiwa yakhokhwa, khona izinto eziningi anandaba na leyo nto, yabo. But mina nje into mina ngayilwa from day one, mhlawumbe into eyangicika ayazi yenza ukuthi mina ngibablock emafonini ami is because bacela kumina ukuthi ngibasize. I did, but they did not recognize me. They did not give credit where it's due. Yabo, I don't care about money. Yabo, they know very well. They know they came to me. It's actually only 2 weeks. They came to me because I said it's Sundowns bazishaya. Then bahamba futhi bayocheck bathola ukuthi izobashaya Pirates. Yes, they were desperate. Babethukile because it was almost 10 years. Right? But it's not, because when uthena sizokhona ukuyishaya Sundowns, how about you assist us uzosishaya in a Pirate, yabo? Okay, gathi mina it's only 2 weeks left. Akusiwona umlingo lo, wes mina ngisebenza ngamanzi, ngisebenza ngomuthi. Amanzi takes time, yabo. I had to leave la eDurban 12 ebusuku going to Johannesburg insurance ngiyobasiza. Mina I came back ngigula, une-pharmacy eMhlanga evula 24/7. Ngigula shaya ekhanda, izinto engangenzani ngiyikhipha lapha, but yet mina was not recognized. Kwathatha i-trophy yahamba kwayobonga kwenye ndawo. I'm not saying ukuthi akaze bebasiza, kodwa ngikusho ukuthi ke ngicela yabo nje invese niyeke lento yokuthi lokho nizoyikhommentela, because I never thought ukuthi kuzofika to a point where I will support a team edlala ne-Chiefs because bangidinile, banginyanisile, yabo. Kodwa ke mina yabona mina sengithuke kakhulu, mina sekukhulunywa zonke izinto ngami. Mina nje ngivala umlomo, mina uNkulunkulu mina engihamba naye akusinto okudlala. I'm going to tell you, yabona this agreement yokuthi i-Chiefs win, I had to talk to God. Ngathi mina uNkulunkulu ngithumile lo mhlaba ukuthi kumele ngiwushintshe umhlaba ukholelwa emanzini because sebesebenzisa umuthi kakhulu and izwe lonakele. However, this is the most followed and supported team. Imagine if I can assist this team kuze kwazi ukuwina ama-trophy amaningi. Ngisho kuthiwa kuvele manje ukuthi I'm the one who assisted them, but ngisho kuthiwa kuvela after 10 years and abantu if bethola ukuthi I assisted them ngamanzi against ama-team asebenzisa imithi, abantu bazobona amanzi ukuthi anamandla and people will start to believe emanzini. Boom, the world will start to believe ukuthi amanzi ayasebenza ngempela, because umuthi asisho ukuthi phela kuhlezi ukhona umubi njalo, kodwa esikushoyo ukuthi it's better if abantu bezokholela emanzini because kuzolimita izinto eziningi, ukuthethula kwamadlozi, ukuthakathwa kwabantu, zigubhu nezithwalo, yonke leyo nto leyo izophela because it seems as if ngathi wonke umuntu is invested kuleyo nto leyo. So do you see ukuthi ukuyocela amandla mina uNkulunkulu okukhona ukuthi ngisize Kaizer Chiefs, it was an agreement between me and God. And one day angithi abona manje kusesemnandi futhi abona ukuthi ihlangene into yabo, uyabona nje iSundowns izokwathi uyibambe phansi, ubona ukuthi iSundowns bayicishile, yabona ukuthi ihlangene. Kodwa ke mina ngizokuyelela uNkulunkulu konke, ngiyolela uNkulunkulu, and when they decide to phone me besho ukuthi ndoda amadoda senze iphutha kanje nasi, and futhi ngizobuya ngizonitshela la uma ukuthi bawukhona ukwenza lokho, because seemingly shuthi kade bebetray inyanga and they think mhlambe mina ngenyanga, angisiyona inyanga mina kade shuthi inyanga shuthi ngapha izinto bephinde bopheke lapha because babiza abantu befuna usizo kubantu, then abakwenza kusuke bemele bekwenza. Shuthi ke njengamanje bona they chose the easy side, the hard side bayiyekela. Nasi mina bawungibheka beze bengithola and futhi bawuhlawula ngazi ngeenkomo engaka. Futhi lezo nkomo lezo ngengiyifuye siyozidla nje nomphakathi wangakithi enguthandayo, so zidla lezo nkomo lezo ngoba bazobe bezogeza igama lami abaxhoba ngenyanga, bazobe bezogeza idlozi lami nengelosi yami yasebenza. Yabona abafana ngihamba nabo siyolandela amanzi kwenye indawo ngengisho ukuthi kuphi, sasentabeni le ndaba it takes you 30 minutes ukuya phansi, umbuya it takes you i-hour ukubuya because is stiff leyo ndaba leyo. Bahle abafana ngebephinde bathi hayi ndoda amadoda ngesiphinde sinakuza le ndaba leyo, saphinde saqhubeka saya kwenye indawo. Okubuhlungu umuntu owuyena ongidrivelayo uyasebenza, uvuka ekuseni ngo5 safika la ngo4 collect amanzi ayi-1, but mina I'm proud, ngingadima kodwa I'm proud ukuthi ngiyabona and futhi I know umsebenzi wami nabo laba abaclaim ukuthi umsebenzi wabo, they know very well, they know deep down, they know ukuthi umsebenzi wami lo ya. But again, it's not about breaking, but ngiyathanda ukwenza kanje ama-video hlale because social media does not forget. One day kuzovela and kuzomele beligeze igama lami, because before they came they were phoning me, but once they lifted the trophy angisafonelwa, and maybe they thought this is all about money, ukuthi hayi mesimkhokhela imali mesimnje sizomkhokhela. It's not about money, this is about changing the world. Mina nginandaba nabo, I love them as a team, I loved them as a team or as a club, but mina yabo ingakho ngena zonke lezi ziba lezi ngikhipha ithwalo, ngihambe indaba lezi ngikhipha ithwalo. Mina ngizosho umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu la namanje abangabona, but social media does not forget. One day umhlaba niyobona usuqondile, uyabona. So angisho ukuthi ubani owenza ukuthi kwangenzeka kwafika mina kwenzeka, kodwa they know very well who did the job. They know very well. They know very well. I'm not going to mention names, but all of them they know. All of them they know. They know very well. I'm not happy, and Ingelo Sam is not happy. but yami ingelosi ngoba ihlambuluke kakhulu. Isibhaxu sakhona siza kancane. Okubuhlungu abantu abazosafarisha ama-fans e-Kaizer Chiefs because they love the Chiefs, and I know that because nami I was a Kaizer Chiefs fan until they betrayed me. Yabo. Ngicela niyekele lento yama-comment la ekusinetha since kwafika wena FNB iyangicika mina I'm all about umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Iyangicika lento because it brings me pain. Yabo, ngase nje nayideliver lo pain leyo, yabo. Kodwa kushuthi i-technique lena uNkulunkulu ebengifisa sisenze ngayo ukuthi abantu sibenze bekholelwe emanzini ngendlela ukuthi sikhona ukubakhombisa ukuthi maybe out of 36 teams asebenzisa umuthi ngingafika mina namanzi and kusebenza. Sizohlala phansi, we will find another technique, but definitely we need to change the world. The world must become a better place, and kumele silungise ngamanzi. That's what I've been sent for in this world. Kubuhlungu ukuthi mina ngidinwa kanjena yabo, ngidinwa ngihleka nje, kodwa khona one day they will come back.
Yep, guys, like I always said, zikhala ngamahlangothi wonke, guys, even in football, guys. So now, guys, if you have any review or any opinion, or you want to share something, guys, feel free to leave a comment down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.